everybody, I'm Susan from LV and More, and I have an unboxing and I have a reveal. So like, subscribe, and I do appreciate your support. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And all the people that have subscribed to my channel, thanks for hanging in with me. I really do appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, it came like this. It got a little damaged. It's from Korea. So we'll see what we got here. Go ahead and unbox it. Yeah, got a little smashed, but we'll see. Hopefully everything's okay. If not, they're pretty good. They have good customer service, so. Alright, let's see what it says here. Alright, it's from Samorga. This is in mint. It's a really pretty color. It's to go in my Speedy 25, my vintage green one. So it looks good, even though the box is messed up. But that's alright. And these Samorgas used to come in paper. Now they come in plastic, which you can actually reuse the plastic. Okay, that's what it looks like and out of the plastic, basically. Right, and the inside is open. Normally there's a water bottle holder here, but when you check out, you want to make sure that you have them remove that if you just want it open like this. But it does hold a lot. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 inside. And then you get 2 on the outside, and then you get a holder, a bigger holder, maybe for a wallet or something like that. But it does give pretty good structure, and the bottom is striped now. It used to be solid, so they have changed that. And then you still get the tag on the side that says Samorga. So, I'll put this in my Speedy later, and I'll get it organized, and I'll send out some pictures. You can follow me on Instagram at Susan Dare LV and More. I post pictures every single day, so you can check out anything that I may have got or things that I'm using. And here's a little tag that comes with it. It says Samorga on it. So they're pretty cool, and I did use the Minx discount code, and I was able to get $12 off this. So Minx for all. And that coupon is still valid. And it was a lot faster this time. It took less than a month to get here. So before, it was taking like 2 or 3, 4 months. I had my Speedy 30, and it was like 4 months or something to come to Canada. So now it's like less than a month. Alright, so that's my Samorga Organizer in mint, which is really pretty. It's going to match my green Speedy pretty cool, Speedy 25. And I have my new pom-pom from Fendi. It has an S on it. It's silver. Clips on, pretty cool. It's pretty good size pom-pom. It's from the Alphabet collection or ABC collection. Has a black leather tab and it has a silver tab that says Fendi, and on the ring that also says Fendi. So you definitely want to, if you're thinking about getting these from a pre-loved or eBay or Yogi's Closet or Fashion File, even though Fashion File and Yogi's Closet have authenticators, you still want to make sure that it's real fur. This is fox fur. And that the top is real metal, not plastic. And this part right here should be leather. And there also should be another, like another tag that says Fendi on it. When in doubt, get it authenticated before you place a bid or before you buy something that is pre-loved. Just so you make sure that you're not buying a fake, because there is a lot of fakes out there and they look similar, but they're different fur and they have different, they're mostly plastic. All right, and I did get a request to do my Fendi bag collection, my bag charm collection. Not bags, I don't have any bags. But anyways, I'll probably be doing that next week, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, if you want any product information, anything that you would like me to show in my collection, I'd be more than happy to do that for you. Until next time, thanks for watching LV and More. Have a good week. Bye now.